also you're selling to the people that are going to use your thing day to day. And, there's this phenomenon that happens where you sell a product, CTO gets really excited about it, you install it, and then there's this almost immune response to it from the boots on the ground. And they're like, I'm just going to use this workaround. I don't actually need this thing.
Yeah.
You have to be very wary of that, because you can lose, you'll churn the customer eventually if they're allergic to what you sold them.
Yeah. And that actually touches on, I think, a question you asked me in the very first podcast I did with you on the differences in what we're seeing in the space in terms of entrepreneurs. And I think that point that you just made is key, is that entrepreneurs that come from the insurance industry or that spent time working in these very, I don't want to call them niche roles, but specifically spent a lot of their career in underwriting or in claims, and know not only how to sell to these organizations, but generally know the workflow, know where are those points of integration that are easy, that won't completely change, a process that's been in existence for 20 years, give or take a few changes. And so being able to sell to that top tier management level and say that this is why the technology is important and this is the outcome we can sell to you, but also this is how we won't disrupt the people that have to work with this every day. I think, you need to have both of those elements considered when you're selling into, because to your point, you might say all the right things, but if no one's using it, that contract's not going to be renewed.